Hello! Welcome to the Traveling Duo YouTube channel. Today we will feature another world-class resort known as Hilton Hawaiian Village Waikiki Beach Resort. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for you to be notified when we post new videos of our next featured vacation destinations. Also, check out the description below this video for more details about this resort as well as a veil of promos and discounts. And of course we will truly appreciate it if you will like, comment and share this video. Hilton Hawaiian Village Waikiki Beach Resort is located on 22 acres on the widest stretch of Waikiki Beach. Tropical gardens, ponds and waterfalls define the resort. Enjoy 5 swimming pools including the 10,000 square foot beachfront super pool and the best slides in Waikiki. Mandara Spa is open daily and access to the fitness center is complimentary. Water activities include on-site surfing lessons, snorkeling, stand-up paddleboard, kayaking in the lagoon and catamaran sailing from our Port Hilton. Nestled on a 22-acre oasis with a spacious open-air lobby, lawns, gardens, waterfalls and ponds. Our 5 guest towers provide a variety of rooms and suites with 2 prime beachfront towers, Ali'i and Rainbow. Newly renovated Tapa Collection rooms top off the mix. Downtown Honolulu is just 3 miles from the Hilton Hawaiian Village. The Honolulu International Airport is 8 miles away. If you're aiming for a perfect vacation this year, Hilton Hawaiian Village Waikiki Beach Resort is one of the best vacation destinations. Please check the description below for more details and reservations. And don't forget to watch the next video for another amazing resort to visit this year. Again, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post our next video and to avail of some promos and discounts in some of these resorts. Thank you and enjoy your next vacation.